Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's Saturday and time to make some soap. So what we'll be doing today is doing an orange soap. I'll be using basically the three colors that are in orange. Obviously orange, and I will be using a mixture of Brambleberry's Tangerine Wow as well as Brambleberry's Nuclear Orange. The Tangerine Wow is so potent, so potent, I thought I would tone it down with Nuclear Orange if that tells you anything, and I don't think it did. I think the Tangerine Wow is so potent that Nuclear Orange didn't do anything. Anyway, orange, I'll be using Nurture Soap Green Vibrance to represent the green leaves, and Nurture Soaps, just titanium dioxide, to represent the white, like the blossoms, as well as the underside of the orange skin. And I'm going to be scenting this with one I haven't used before, Satsuma Orange from Nurture Soap. Several of you have used this and seem to really like it. Out of the bottle, it smells fantastic. It supposedly is perfect for soap, doesn't discolor, does not rise, does not separate, doesn't do any of that funny, accelerate any of that awful stuff. So anyway, I'm hoping that's the truth. So we're going to go ahead and use my slab mold, get those three colors in, and do some orange piping, orange and green piping on top. So let's just, enough talk, let's get started. So we will put the lye into the oils. Stick blend just to a very, very basic emulsification, because I will stick blend some more. That is good to start. Cut fell behind the sink. Give me just a second here. Sorry about that. Yeah, my camera thought it was being so smart and shutting down. But guess what? I have a new camera. I just haven't started using it yet. I have a new camera. So you know what? You want to start thinking for yourself? Go ahead. We're going to divide these up. Our other three colors. And I want more white than anything, so that's alright that that one's okay, like that. We'll just split these off. Clean this up. Is back here. This one that has the most is going to have the white in it. And I think I'll probably put it in last to make sure it doesn't thicken up too much. So I'm going to go ahead and put the green in this, saving a little for the top. The orange in this, saving a little for the top. Go ahead and get most of the titanium dioxide in this, saving some for the top. Stick blend these in by hand. Stir these in by hand, lightest to darkest. Now, because this is a big batch of soap, and I only have 4 ounces of fragrance, this is a really potent fragrance, I'm going to just put this in the main soap and not fragrance. Sorry, I can't do 2 things at once. Not fragrance the frosting, because I don't have enough, and I want this to have a nice strong scent. So I'm going to stir this in by hand, all 3 colors. Hit it with a stick blender a little bit. And pour. Okay. These into the mold, and then we'll work on the frosting at the top. And while this is the white, it will be the primary. I definitely want to swirl my other colors in. Yes, they are behaving, which means this fragrance is behaving as it says it would. And I will clean those up off camera like I always do. That is so fluid, I don't have to worry about tapping that down. So I will shut this down for a minute. Look how beautiful those colors are. I'll get this excess soap into a spillover mold and I'll start working on the soap frosting, but this has to thicken up some. So anyway, yes, it's behaving beautifully. See you in just a little bit. Okay, I'm back, and what I'm hoping to do is some rosettes all around the top. And yeah, we have a nice consistency for that. Alright, so we're back to cut the soap. I went ahead and split it, but I haven't seen it yet. The pour went so well, it just stayed so fluid and poured just beautifully, so I have high hopes. Also put a little bit of glitter on top after that, if you can see it. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. So yeah, let's get into this and see what it looks like inside. Cut into bars. And see, I always say nothing's going to waste. I have these little sun and moon molds. A lot of you have these. And all the excess went into these. And those will get used. Alright. Wasn't sure about glitter on top of this, but I think that gold hole just kind of really was the perfect topping for it. Alright, yeah, look at that. Very nice. And this really smells good. I'm hoping that this fragrance holds up. It got wonderful reviews on Nurture Soap. Oh gosh, yeah, look at that. So, definitely think that's a success. Very happy with this. So anyway, everybody, thanks for watching. Stay safe, take care of yourself, and I should see you next week. Okay, bye.